how to make a quick, tasty fruit bowl. To begin with, you'll need your favorite fruit juice. I chose orange pineapple apple juice cocktail by Welch's. You will also need your favorite fruit. I chose apples, blueberries, strawberries, grapes, and peaches. I did not have one of my favorite being pineapples because I've run out of pineapples. So whatever choices you'd like, several of each one of those. Also, I chose to use a 9-ounce plastic tumbler. So now you'll simply go ahead and begin dropping your fruit bites into the tumbler or whatever you prefer to use. Again, this is a 9-ounce plastic tumbler. I think they were 50 count on Walmart. I forgot how much they were, but they were 50 count on Walmart. And you'll do this until you're satisfied. You might prefer to fill up your cup or tumbler, and you might not. So you will continue on. I'm filling mine to the brim today. Do this in the place of that Mr. Goodbar or Snickers you've been wanting. It'll do you a world of good. Refreshing snack. It can be a part of your meal if you prefer. Really delicious. Right. Now you want to make it more enticing, more delicious, more fruity, more juicy. So today I decided I would include this with my breakfast. I have 3 slices of bacon, my fruit bowl, and I threw in a couple of cinnamon rolls on the side. So yes, I am excited about this breakfast. Let me know if you try a fruit bowl as a snack or as a part of your meal, and let me know how you like it.